Hey guys, it's Baseball Boy. So today we're gonna be opening up another tons of chests. So I have 6 right there, that so I can open up 14, and I have enough to get the new chest of gods. So that's gonna be the last one that we're gonna get. So let's just start off with 8 of these. Let's hope we get something good. And my next video, it's either gonna be like I'm gonna play a little Krunker and stuff like that. Yay. No, I'm definitely going to be able to get an extra chest because there's no way I'm not going to get another coins. More coins. Okay, there. So, not bad. Nothing good. Just epics. Come on. I don't even know if I've gotten a mythic on one of my videos. Oh my gosh. Last one. Here it is. 20 coins. Okay. Now we get to open up 6 of these. Epic. More coins. Oh! Mike Blue. Nice. That wasn't bad. 20 coins. That's bad. And the last one. Here we go. Come on. Oh, another 20 coins. Okay, we get to open up another one of these. And get a epic. Okay, so now I'm going to be opening this up. So, what I would want, I probably want him. He's pretty cool, Surtur. I would want one of the gliders. That would be cool. Don't really want the backpack. This is everything in the chest. So you have a pretty good chance of getting a mythic. But it's pretty cool. Okay. We're gonna be getting it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here it is, guys. The chest of gods. Let's get this. A rare out. Oh, that sucked. What was it called? A T something? Nope. That sucked, guys. That's it for today's video, but you got horrible, terrible stuff. There he is. I guess he's not that bad. Okay, bye guys. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe and just click a thumbs up and everything. Bye.